Hey, good morning, friends. Welcome back, YouTube, to another update. What are we looking at here? Bitcoin. So, wow. People will be looking at this as a reversal diamond, and it's not reversing. What a shame. So, we've got a nice close above here on that daily chart and the weekly chart. Bam, man, that was beautiful. That was absolutely gorgeous. So I'm going to go through a little walkthrough, a silent walkthrough, and I'm just going to do what I do. This is the first time I've been in the charts since the weekend. And yeah, you guys can follow along or go and study. Hmm. Okay, so I've grabbed what I would like to see from both the flout and the Asian range. And my red is the flout and the purple is the Asian range. So if price was to break this 30% retracement here from the previous week's range, then this is a place that I'd be looking for a reversal. Now, if we take this high here, I would like to see a pullback before it gets into here. So this is the weekly chart. So let's say tomorrow a daily candle comes up here. Before coming down here, I would expect a pullback Tuesday. So I wouldn't want to see Monday do very much. We've got our economic news calendar here. So Monday has no high impact news driver present. And then we have Tuesday, this weekly employment change that's tentative. So like it's, tentative throughout the day. It could be any time. And we have jolts at 10 a.m. on Tuesday. Wednesday, we have federal funds rate, FOMC economic projections, FOMC statement, and then a press conference at 2:30. So I'm going to not be trading Wednesday morning and then return back in the afternoon if there's something offered. So basically, I'll be looking for Monday for a trade and maybe Tuesday. It depends what Monday does, but I'll keep you guys updated. So it looks like we could get some violence this week. So because there's no news driver Monday, I would expect quite a tight range. But the price action could be very favorable in its delivery. So just taking all those levels, I know it's getting really messy and your chart should also look like this. But I'm going to remove this Fibonacci tool because that 30% retracement of the previous week's range aligns with this upper quadrant of the old week opening gap. Have we bottomed already? Yeah, it's possible. That tiny little vacuum block there, we've repriced into it, balanced that range here. And yeah, let's check the 4-hour chart, see if there's a fair value gap there. Well, it's back a bit, but it's still valid. This is going to be a pay the trader point here. If we don't bust through this. So last week we had hit targets here and fell back below, but still above the old week opening gap. So if we don't take that, it looks like it might go for it soon. But tomorrow morning, I'd like to be below that price. And then grab the pullback, potential pullback at like 8:30, 9:30 a.m. And then pay myself up in here. And this will be another pay the trader point. Aiming for previous week high or previous day high. And then essentially, I'm going to go back into the monthly chart for targets. I don't know if we're going to take previous month high. It's looking like it. I think the bottom for the month is in. And it looks like we could be running after previous month high. So for the next couple of weeks, this is what I'm aiming for. So 26,295. I'm going to the weekly chart and just see what that looks like. See, it doesn't look like it's beyond its capabilities. So the idea when you're in trend mode after you've left the order block is it gets kind of tough because you'll think that every down movement, every sharp down movement is a shift in market structure when really it's just making the high or low of the trend. Okay, so kind of like this. You know, you run out that low there and people will be like, oh, it's shifting market structure. No, that's the higher low in the trend. And then we go up and make a higher high. So kind of same thing here. But yeah, I'll keep you guys posted. It looks pretty on side. So what kills this bias? I mean, there's a lot. What kills this bias is basically we'll know by Tuesday. We'll know if this projection's offside or not. So it'll be cool. What do we got here? Shout out Sniper Meow. We got Ricky did it. It's just YouTube boys commenting in here. You know, that's all I see from here. Yeah, well, you guys, I'm pretty much gonna be active all week, especially during this FOMC. So I'll keep you updated, keep your notifications on, and we'll see you very soon. Be safe.